Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the market clock indicator for MT4. We are going to head over to the MQL5 Marketplace because the indicator is actually for rent. Okay, it's for rent. 6 months is going for 19.88 US dollars, 1 year 39.88 US dollars currently. All right, so the free demo is also available to test, and that is what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to test the indicator using our strategy tester. All right, so in a moment we are going to have the indicator added to our navigator. Here we go. Drag and drop, click on test, and then we click on start. All right, so within a few seconds, we should have a visual here. All right. So this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, it's a professional indicator of trading sessions. All right. One dial shows the time of the 18 largest stock exchanges in the world. Okay. So the indicator makes it possible to trace the characteristic movement of the market at appropriate time of day. We can see here Tokyo, Singapore, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Mumbai. Here we have Dubai, Riyadh, Moscow, London, Zurich, Frankfurt, Johannesburg. Here we have New York, Chicago, Toronto, Sao Paulo. And here we have Wellington and Sydney, right? So how does the indicator exactly work? Let's head over here. And we can see that the indicator seems to also have sound and push notifications. The indicator takes into account transition to summer and winter time as well as weekends. Okay, we have the Asian, European, American, and Pacific sessions and all of these, right? So for the input parameters, we have the size of the market clock, transparency 0 to 100%. We have background, allows to paste the clock behind the chart and all of that, right? So when you have this indicator added to your chart, basically you will be able to see the clock in real time, right? You can see what we have happening here, right? You can see how in real time which session you are on, right? You just like a clock going across the sessions, right? And then you see the locations that are active at that time, right, for that session and all of that, right? So if you are the kind of trader that likes to um, make use of market sessions, or maybe your strategy is highly dependent on market sessions, this might be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Okay, but before you make any financial commitment, ensure that you are comfortable with what you see. You can test the indicator in your own platform, all right, just like we did. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.